Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be continuing where we left off. We're going to be installing our adjustable lower control arms and our adjustable toe arms. So it is going to be a shorter video from last time, just made it real quick. Hope you guys like it and enjoy. Alright, now for the exciting, hopefully less messy part. We're going to adjust my lower control arm and my toe arm. What we're gonna do is replace them with SPC Performance. We got installation instructions, adjustable camber bolts for the rear, and brand new lower control arm. I mean, yeah, it looks, well, stock, but what I like about it is it's nice and clean versus look at this. This looks caked up. Gross. Now for our toe arm. Got another sticker. Installation instructions. So, this one does not look so OEM. The beauty with this, just twist, adjust as long or as short as you want. Now if you look at this compared to our original, it doesn't look so OEM now. We do get a new bushing, new, what is it, crown nut, and a little lock. So this is gonna be real nice addition. So we can dial in our suspension settings when we end up going on track. First things first, I'm gonna try to remove this little pin holding it down. I'm gonna try to remove this bolt. I know this is a 19. I'm not sure what this one is. I'll probably just use my monkey wrench for that. But hopefully this doesn't spin as I'm trying to remove it. I'm gonna show it off camera just to make it a little bit quicker, but basically remove this pin, undo the bolt, move on to the back. Okay, so in short, remove the pin. This is 17, this is 19, and then just hold this side with a monkey wrench, loosen this, pull it out, hammer this down, trying to get it out. Now what I'm gonna do is measure these. They're even here. Just make sure the length is even, and then put it back on. So I just installed my toe arm, but I kept the factory. It's like a camber bolt, but for my toe arm. So I guess now I have double adjustability. Well, all right, now I'm gonna start on my lower control arm. For this, it's gonna be one bolt up here, my coilover, and then right here. Now, this is what I mean by caked. Look at all that. The hell happened here? Look, it's already starting to fall off. Now we got the nice new one. Oh yeah. And the difference is one hole, big hole, adjustable hole. See how this works out. So I got the arm back on, put these two bolts back on, and this is where we can adjust our camber. Now I'm gonna do the other side off camera just to keep this video short. Alright, that was it for the video. Like I said, it was gonna be short. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please tune in to my next video, which is gonna be our front and rear sway bars. That's gonna be a lot more interesting, also continuing where we left off in this video. So if you're enjoying what you're watching, please like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.